How to hide WhatsApp status from some contacts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide WhatsApp status from some contacts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your WhatsApp. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can head over to the settings option on the bottom right. After you're on your settings, tap on the privacy option right here. Now before we move on to the next step, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to hide your WhatsApp status from some contacts, you will see under privacy called status. Tap on it. And here you can see you can share your contacts status with your contacts or your contacts except some people. So you can tap on this accept and select the people that you want to hide it from. So after you've selected that, let me just select some randoms and tap on done. Now your status will get updated, or your status will get shown to everyone except those contacts that you selected. And it's that simple to do so, and that's how you hide your WhatsApp status from some contacts. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.